Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download select pages on Canva mobile app. So here I've already on my Canva and I've already have my designs right here. They are consist of 4 pages, and if you guys want to download select pages, what I mean is that you want to download only selected pages, you can do these steps that I'm about to tell you. So if you click on this arrows right here, the save arrow, it will automatically save all pages in your design. But if you want to only download selected pages, you click on this options, the arrow up, like right here at the top right, and choose download. Okay, so here you can choose the file tab first, and then at the select pages, click on the box, and you can see there are this option. If you only want to download a certain pages, you can just click on the box right here. For example, I want to download the current page, page 3, and also the page 2. So you can just click on the checkbox and click on done and click on download. So the Canva apps will only download those 2 pages to your gallery. Okay, so that is it, how you can download selected pages on Canva mobile apps. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.